me, baboon.
Vlog, Ted, vlog. Vlog.
That's mom.
Go.
Boiling. That's a boy. Mom, what's this? What's this for?
Nanglulu kanina, nanglulu.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Bukas yung mga Da. Ano lang, kainit ka.
Ay, nako. Wala na? Ay, napa ko.
Mama, is that blood?
No, it's not.
It's not blood. Uy, gizip na balot. Ay, the sauce.
Lisod ko.
That's the
You like it?
sauce.
You like it?
Get the sauce, that's vitamins.
Huh?
Ayaw,
Vitamins.
kainit.
You just want me to eat it.
Asa mag-uban nga kuan.
You're supposed to put it, I mean, you're supposed to put a vinegar to it.
Gizip the sauce.
Miss Gary.
Aray, dire.
Ani diri
Do you know what it is, Ted?
Yeah,
What is it?
baboon.
I mean,
Duck.
suka degbe.
Get the sauce.
Where?
There, inside. Inside.
When I'm done cooking. Oh! Yeah. Mama, this is scary.
That's not scary, man.
Look at this. It's scary. Mama, it's hot. It's boiling.
What is the color? What boy is there? A red, something red.
That's the blood. The duck died.
Pare ang asa suka diyan.
nani ka out there.
Bay nani mo diri bay.
Buwak, be.
Ayawan kadaot ba na sa o.
Nahadlok. Oh my God.
Where's the dog? I don't see no ducks. Where's the dog?
Nuno, kaya ako
Inside.
No, it's not.
Sus manimango lang sila.
They're playing ba?
Ayaw lagi na si.
You want vinegar? Want vinegar, dong. Don't wipe anywhere.
Tara,
Just stay there. Put some vinegar here, dong, be.
Asa mo imo?
You don't like it?
And sige, there's
Put
some
vinegar
sauce.
to it.
It's a nightmare.
Why you have nightmare?
First time it, yeah?
No, it's a nightmare.
Ana Wala mo?
Hindi.
Na ako man.
I'm gonna
Lagi
eat
na
the
ako.
dog.
Duga na good.
Iko asin mo.
Yeah.
Diesel.
Salt. Asin. Salt. You want salt?
It's the dog.
That's the dog.
That's the cat.
No, wait.
That's the duck. Yeah, that's the duck.
I'm scared.
Lamon man. Scared niya, gilamon.
Gambak sa nimo eh. Kuan man yun sa.
You like it?
You're so strong, Theodore. You're brave, da.
Ikaw na yung piso.
I'm scared pa, gilamon. Salt, you get salt ka. Get some salt to Mami Rose ka. Dong, gai ko rig asin si Dodong dong.
Ganun lagi siya hang wake yo.
Tagay ka sa salt oh. Dip in the sauce. The salt. Okay.
Kuwan lang siya nun. Isa pokok. Saba.
Kinsa nga?
No, Mom.
No, I already brushed my teeth.
Di pwede ang bibi ano ba siya?
sir. Ano ba?
Di na mo dili kasi pwede ang
Yo
bibi.
kaya saw.
The shell ha.
Ano?
I'm done.
Wash your hands.
Sige, bantay to.
Bye.